Back again, man. So we finna try to drain this gas out of here. Easy, simple, man. Easy, simple shit, man. Ooh, gas in there. And they're gonna interfere with the running of the engine. So we gotta get this out and put some fresh shit in there. And then go from there. You know what I'm saying? Good time limit. I think I can get a running in a good time out of, baby. We're gonna set that up off to the side. See if this works, man. Let's see how good this bullshit works, man. We finna cut them on. He working, y'all. It's working. We got a 5-gallon bucket. We got a 5-gallon bucket rolling, man. I'm trying to get that thing right. What's up, guys? So now I'm finna see. I went to the junkyard, picked up a fuel pump. I clamped the gas tank out good. The other fuel pump riding in there. So now I'm finna see if it works. Now come with me right back. Look. I got it right there. Ain't in the tank. I just wanna see if it come on. Ain't in the tank. I just wanna see if it come on. Let's see, boys. Did you hear it? Is it on?
Yeah, it did it the first time.
It came on?
Yeah, I heard it, but it stopped.
What about now?
Yeah.
It's on?
It just whined. It just made a noise.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit, boys. We in business. We just need some gasoline, baby. We might be in business, boys. I could get some gasoline and put it in here right here, boys. And sit the fuel pump in there and see where the car crank. If it crank and it run, it was worth it at the end, boys. So, hold that thought. When I run to the gas station, get a little gasoline, see if it gonna turn over and try it, boys. Okay, boy. We about to pour this shit directly in the fuel bowl. When I figure it out. Damn. There we go, boys. The rest I'll probably put it through the tank. I ain't want it to be dry. I ain't want it to be dry when I put the fuel thing in. Fuel pump, man. Let's see what this bitch do, man. That climb she ain't been running in about 5-6 years. Let's see what we can do over here, man. You know, it's a fan. What we can do over here is a fan. Is that bitch gonna fire or nah? What she gonna do? Can't really see it, y'all. She locked in, boys. She locked in the tank, boys. Now we finna drop this in. We finna drop the float in.
Have you ever done anything like this before?
Yeah, gang, I've been doing this shit. I've been doing this shit a long time. I just wasn't recording it, you know. When I was doing this shit, I wasn't recording it. I was just doing it, you know, to make money. You know? I was doing it to make money, you know. Anybody could probably charge a fuel pump in this motherfucker. A baby can if they got the tools and I ain't scared to do it. You know, all this stuff.
It ain't too hot out here for you? What's the weather like in Arizona?
Hot as a motherfucker. All this stuff is based on putting it back together how you took it apart.
So memory?
Not memory, just putting it back together how you took it apart. That's it, man. You know? There's a lot of people that ain't really good at their cars, but it's you know, when you get good at it, it's figuring out problems. And figuring out the type of cars or the type of brands you know what I'm saying? Being familiar with what certain brands do. You know. A Honda might not do what a Nissan will do. Toyota might not do what an Acura will do, you know? We finna fire this junk up and see. Let's see. For the first time. For the first time, guys. She pearling. You got a prime a little bit. She'll fire up in a minute, boys. In a long time. I hear a little knocking over there, but she running. For the first time, boys. For the first time in a long time. Let me cut out. That's all I want to see, boys. Wonder we should go forward and backwards, boys. Let's see that. Boys. Let's see, boys. She'll go, boys. Reverse. Ooh, boys. Boys. Man. It's out. Shit. Can we say, welcome to SFN, where we get them in pieces and put them bitches together. Another one was in pieces. Now it's together. Like, let's get it.
Started from the bottom, started in that junk, made it out the shit, a nigga still kept it 100.